part B, we are told solve the equation. Solve the equation. Look at that. The equation is 5 raised to power 2x minus 12 into bracket 5 raised to power x plus 35 is equals to 0. So that is the equation student X gave us in order to work out. So let's work it out here. Now, in order to work out this question, we're going to say let 5 raised to power x be equal to a letter m. Because we cannot be able to work out this equation the way it is, we are going to let that 5 raised to power x be m, and this equation that we are having here can be written as 5 raised to power x, we take the 2 out, minus 12 into 5 raised to power x plus 35 is equals to 0. Yeah. So in that way, we can now substitute whatever that we have here. You need to listen carefully, that we can be able to substitute here and say this is going to be m raised to power 2, because we had said that let x raised to 5 raised to power x be 5. Then since we are having that m, we are going to raise to power 2 minus 12 m, because 5 power x is here, plus 35 is equals to 0. So you'll have this quadratic equation. Now solving the quadratic equation, m is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is the quadratic equation or formula you are going to use in order to work out this. So meaning that we can be able to say this is going to be 12 plus or minus square root of negative 12 squared minus 4 times a. A is 1, AC, C is 35 over 2 times 1. So if you work out this question, you are going to get m is going to be 5 or m is going to be 7. Those are the two values of m you are going to get. You cannot be able to stop this question at this point. You are going to proceed and say, now, since we had said let m be 5 raised to power x, we have gotten now our m. We are going to use the first part here and say 5 power x is equals to 5, because our m is 5. So meaning 5 raised to power x is equals to 5. What do you need to raise by 5 to get 5? You need to raise 5 by 1. So meaning our value here, x is equals to 1. We are done with this particular part. Now the second part, we are going to say 5 raised to power x is equals to 7. And this one you cannot be able to just work it out just that way, other than using logarithm. Introduce log both sides. 5 raised to power x is equals to log 7 divided by, okay, from part A we are done what 5 raised to power x is equals to. We had gotten that, we had gotten it here, because this was a question that was having part A and part B. So that is why we were given this part in order to say our x is going to be equals 1.21 when you use logarithm, because already you had worked out that particular part at this given point.